Right guys, nice sunny day. This is Keynsham Station car park, or at least this is the grass area associated with it. Just going to give this little fella a try. Probably won't be able to see it because it'll be too small, but it's a nice open area, so we'll see what we can do. And we're using a hat camera, of course. A little bit windy. Right, not a good start. I've got to remember which way was fast mode. One, two, three. That should be the fast mode. Got nothing now. Not telling me the battery's flat already. Oh, that'll be frustrating. Oh, come on, back. wasn't quite as neat as I had in mind. Okay, that'll do. Well, that was typical. I've just remembered what I was going to do. There's an extra feature. You push down on the right hand button. I didn't try that. Okay, let's see if we can get out there again before the battery runs out. Oh dear. There's a bit of a gust of wind coming through the doorway there. That's what that was about. We're just running out of power. Yeah, full throttle. Yeah. Okay, that was a fail. We'll charge it up again, and we might do that again. It does some sort of spin when you press that right hand controller. I did all that because there was a feature I wanted to try out and forgot to try it out when I got out there the first time. Second time the battery was flat. You coming in this way, Nanny? No. Because I'm going to try and come out the door in a second. Against the wind. The real gust comes in that window, in that door. Oh, where are you going? Right, we made it out to the garden. Made hard work of it. Right, what I want to try and do, if the wind will let me, is try its secret feature. We'll call it secret because that always makes it sound more exciting. Oh gosh, oh, the wind's got it. I'm in full reverse mode at the moment. I'm making no reverse progress. Right, let's just try to... Right, we should be in the fastest mode now. See if we can get off the ground. Okay, we're off the ground. Now if I press the right hand button down... Oh, that was exciting. That's what it does. It does a spiral. Will it have stopped doing the spiral, or will it keep doing it? Looks like we should have done it indoors. It doesn't feel like much wind out here, but this little fella notices it. Right, press that button. Oh no. Oh, we've run out of power again already. Doesn't last long in full power. Or whatever it is. Mode 3. Yeah, that's it. We've run out of power already. Well, we might have to try that indoors next. Don't know if we've got enough room. Run out of power again. Right, I just want to try out the extra feature on this little quadcopter, and I've tried twice this afternoon, and both times I've run out of battery before we've been able to do it. I was trying to do it outside, so this time we'll try it inside so it's got less wind to battle against. So, hat camera's on. Press the button. Flashing lights on there. Switch this on. We're armed. So what we're supposed to do is just press the right hand controller down, and it spins round in a circle, which means we're probably going to hit something. Right, I pressed the button and it lost height. Try it again. There we go, that's what it's supposed to do. Well, I've got the hat camera on it. Hat camera has a habit of pointing somewhere other than where I think it's pointing. And I have to press it again to stop it doing it. Did it? Right. Can we land it? Oh dear, well we nearly did it. It has bouncy legs underneath these things. Yeah. Anyway, that was it. That was 3 attempts to demonstrate the spinny roundy trick, which is just pressing that one down once to enable it and once to disable it. Power off, press the button, off. Okay. Well, I hope some of that was in camera shot. Thanks for watching. If you want more information, check down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. And if you want to subscribe, you can check out my channel over here. Up here is my latest video on my channel, and down here is a video playlist associated with the video you've just watched. Thanks again for watching.